Hey there, welcome back to LearnXpert. In today's video, we're diving into something both fun and functional: how to create custom recipe cards and cookbooks using Canva. Whether you're a food blogger, a chef, or just someone who loves sharing recipes with friends and family, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll be able to design beautiful, personalized recipe cards and compile them into a professional-looking cookbook. So let's get started. First things first, let's set up our workspace in Canva. Let's click on the Create a Design button on the top right corner. And for recipe cards, I recommend starting with a postcard or A5 template. Let's select Postcard. But feel free to choose the size that works best for you. Now that we have our postcard or our recipe card, we can look for a template. Canva has a variety of pre-made templates that you can customize to suit your style. Type in recipe cards, and you'll see all of the options. Take your time scrolling through and find a template that matches your vision. Now, let's find something that we like, and I'm gonna go with this one. So it has a front cover and a back cover. Now let's click Apply Both Pages, and we get this recipe postcard. Now comes the fun part: customizing your recipe card. Click on the text fields to edit the title, ingredients, and instructions. Let's type in a recipe for a classic pizza. And let's use magic right here. Right? Oh. Right, and let's continue writing. There we go. So, let's edit this and format everything to our liking. Canva makes it easy for us to change the fonts, the sizes, the colors, and everything to match your brand and personal style. You can also swap the images by just simply finding an image on the elements. And let's find a photo. And let's just put in something that we like. There we go. Now, I'm going to rearrange this, so I'll be on mute for a while. Now, you can also put in some images if you want, so we can go to Graphics and find a pizza image that we like. So there we go. Also on the photos, I saw some pizzas here. There we go. So, all right, it's all coming together. I'm gonna put this all the way to the edge, and just like so. And let's do the same thing for the other page. So I'm gonna copy all of this. Copy. And I'll delete everything here except for the text. And what we're gonna do now is just click paste, allow that, and we have the same page here. And also a neat trick here is we can copy this formatting by clicking this painter tool, copy style tool, and paste that over this. And put this as a list. Set this as a numbered list. This in bold font. Now it's all coming together. Okay, If you're enjoying the tutorial so far, don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to LearnXperts for more awesome content. To make your recipe card even more personalized, let's add some design elements. Click on the Elements tab on the left side of the screen, and here you can find decorative borders, icons, and even food-related illustrations to enhance your design. Let's add a decorative frame around the recipe and some cute icons to highlight the ingredient section. So I'm going to put in an Italian frame and set it to graphics. And let's use this one. And let's just put that around the word classic pizza. Yeah. We can also change the color if we want to make this more cohesive with the design. Let's not forget the bottom. So I'm going to copy this and paste that as well. All right. We can also add some of these elements here. Now, once you've finished customizing your first recipe card, it's time to create more. Canva makes this super easy. Simply duplicate your existing design by clicking on the Duplicate Page button. So let's do this, duplicate page. Now, you can quickly replace the text and images with the details of your next recipe. So I'll just put in lasagna. And we're just going to bring this all together. I'm going to replace the image with a lasagna. Perfect. Right, so you can aim for a more illustrated image, or you can also look for photos. We can also filter this to know or to find photos with a transparent background or what have you. So let's do a cutout only. There we go. So you can choose whichever image you like for this recipe. I'm going to go with this image here, this one. Then you can change your text here by just, again, typing in recipe for a lasagna. The consistent layout will give your collection a professional look. Now you've got your recipe cards ready, let's move on to creating a stunning cover for your cookbook. Let's start by going back to the Canva dashboard and selecting a new design. Let's go back here and let's click Create a Design. For a cookbook, I recommend choosing an A4 or a letter size document. So let's type in A4. And we're going to select Flyer. We can then search for a cookbook cover. Let's find Italian cookbook. And press Enter. Now once you've selected the template that you like, you can customize it with your title, your author name, and any images or design elements that reflect the theme of your cookbook. So let's go for this design. And let's change this to a picture of a lasagna. Under Elements. And let's change this just by dragging and dropping. Right. Are you excited to see how your cookbook is coming together? If you are, make sure to like this video and let me know what you think in the comments below. Now with your recipe cards and cover ready, it's time to assemble your cookbook. Canva allows you to create multi-page documents, which is perfect for this project. Let's open a new document with the size of that cookbook. Start by adding your cover as the first page. So let's find that project. Here we go. And we can copy all of these. And let's head back to that. There we go. And then just hit paste. And now you should have your cover. Now let's add another page. And you can add each recipe card as a separate page after that. You can easily drag and drop your designs into place, rearranging the pages until everything flows perfectly. We're going to do that here. So we can simply add the elements from your previous recipe cards into the pages. So we can just copy the ingredients list, the instructions or the procedure, switch tabs. There we go. Right, so we can have this border of, or if you don't want this, you can simply just delete it or put that somewhere on the page, just to add some accents to it. All right. So we can add some finishing touches to make your cookbook truly shine. If you want, you can consider adding a table of contents at the beginning or a special note at the end. You can also include additional design elements like borders, icons, or even a background pattern to give your cookbook a cohesive look. To search for a pattern, we can simply go to Elements and find a pattern. So let's go with pizza pattern. There we go. So we have a pizza pattern here. So let's find a graphic. And let's say you want this one as your pattern. We want this to be very subtle. So if you want, we can change the transparency and put that all the way to the background. So put that there, layer, send to back, and lock it in. There we go. So these final details will make your project stand out and give it that polished professional feel. Now, once you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to save and share your cookbook. Click on the download button under Share, Download, and you can save it as a PDF, a PNG, a JPEG, or any other format that you want. You can even order prints directly from Canva if you want a physical copy of your cookbook. Save your file and share it with the world, or keep it as a cherished personal project. And that's it. You've just created your own custom recipe cards and cookbook in Canva. It's amazing how easy and fun it can be to turn your culinary creations into something special that you can share with others. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like this video, comment below with your thoughts or any questions, and subscribe to LearnXpert for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.